guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a really dark, dramatic, sultry look with metallic glow and a sneak peek at a new product. So have fun watching this and get ready for something special. Alright, for brows today we're going to go back to the old school Jeffree Star pink brow, and I'm going to use a few products that I've never used for the brow before. Now I love Anastasia's Dipbrow, so when I saw this cream color in Barbie pink, I was like, ooh, it's going to be a good brow color. Now, I love to draw them on with a pencil first to try to get the shape down, so I'm going to be using this OCC colored pencil in shade Anime today, and let's see what happens. This is a cunty eyebrow. We're adding a little bit of pink gel on the brow, powder over the brows. Alright, pink brows, we are good. Now let's move on to eyeshadow. Alright, for today's eye look, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Monarch palette and the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye palette. Now these are very versatile, and I'm mainly going to be using this guy today, this like burnt orange sienna color, the black one, and then from this one we're going to be using the lightest shade on here, and we'll dip into some of the browns to get a really nice chocolate eye going here. So first step that I always do is I take my MAC 252 brush, and I'm going to take the lightest shade here, and I'm just going to start packing it on under the brow. And I'm going to take this shade and pull it all the way past the brow into my tattoo. Now I'm going to take this Gucci eyeshadow blending brush. What number is this? This is number 20. Before I do any of my black shadow, I'm going to take this burnt orange color, and I'm just going to start blending it up and out. We want our eye sockets to look airbrushed all times. Now we can move on and start putting some darks in. Alright, now I'm going to pack some black shadow in there. I'm going to use my MAC 217 brush. Now I love these black shadows. They are so pigmented. I'm just going to take this and start buffering it on my lid. Now, we all know I like to blow, so I blow on my brushes. Just like I said in my last video, do not blow on your brushes if you're doing anyone else's makeup. If you see, if you have a client and they see you blowing, it's going to be bad news. Once this black is kind of laid down here, I'm going to take this MAC 224 brush and just start to blend the black up a little bit into that orange color. It's time to do the under eyes. For under my eyes, we're going to darken them really black. Now to do that, I'm going to use my favorite MAC eyeliner. This is called Smolder. And we're just going to lightly pull this down and put some liner in the waterline. I'm going to drag this liner a little below the lash line so I can smoke it out and use it as my second blending tool. Now this does not have to be perfect because we're going to probably put more liner later after we put some shadow down there and blend it out. Alright, here's the foundation of our liner down. Now we're going to start smoking and buffing it out. Now I'm going to use the same black shadow as before, but I'm also going to be dipping in some brown colors. I'm going to be using some Anastasia shadows for the bottom as well. We're going to stick with the Kat Von D black shade. What I like to do is I'll dip my brush into the black shadow so it's already coated on the bristles. And then I'm going to go in and dip into the chocolate shade so they are both on the brush. And I am just going to lightly start buffering in this color. And I'm going to bring it down so my under eyes are really smoky. To buff out the under eye and help it look really flawless, I'm going to be using this tiny Morphe 513 brush. I love this one, it's perfect for detail. And I'm just going to take some of the chocolate shade by itself and just lightly go over what I just did. There we go. Alright, under eyes are smoked out. Alright, I'm gonna add some kind of dark glitter to my lids. Now, this is from Lit Cosmetics. I'm obsessed with this color. It's called Goth. It's like a really cool, almost like dirty green, like dirty money. So I'm gonna be putting this on with the matte cream color base. This is shade Luna. So I'm just going to lightly apply this over my lid and then the glitter. Love how this is looking. Now I love putting glitter over dark shadow. You don't have to do this step. Just give you that extra like, hello, good morning. Hi, how are you? Alright, now I'm gonna do some lashes to finish off this eye look. And of course, I'm gonna go back to my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my favorite wand at the moment. And we're just going to coat them before applying any false lash. Alright, time for lashes. And now before I do my lashes, I gotta take a quick little smoke break here. Perfect. You always gotta take at least one hit for the lashes because that's a stressful motherfucking situation, girl. Now, my favorite lashes currently are Russian Black from New Balsam. I love this brand. They are amazing. I'm gonna be using my Vegan Duo Lash Glue. My favorite. Give it a little wave, let it dry slightly. And while it's drying, I'm just going to pop this on. See the difference the lash makes? You guys know I'm all about my metallic highlight. I want to be glowing from fucking the moon. So we are going to be using MAC's Oh Darling Extra Dimension Skin Finish from their holiday collection. I know this sold out in like an hour in America. Oh, bitch, this is crazy. So I'm just gonna go right above my contour and just start putting it everywhere in here. I wanna make my cheek look like a beacon of light, hope. Now, if you wanna go crazy, which is why we're here, right? We're gonna add a little bit right above the Cupid's bow. I like to bring it slightly down. So in photos, your lipstick is like, bam. Now, if you wanna add a little bit of color to your cheeks, you can. Just for effect, I'm going to be using some Tarte blushes from their holiday collection. And I really like this one called Doll Face. It is really softy pink. And I'm just going to take my NARS Kabuki brush. I'm just going to kind of barely touch the cheeks. Just add a little bit of color today. Alright, now it's time for the lips. Alright guys, now today is not just any, I wonder what lipstick I'm gonna wear. Today is a big moment for me. Next year in the spring, we're talking March, April, in the Jeffree land, I'll be releasing a new lipstick. This is a satin finish lip. It is called Lip Ammunition, and it's like this. The formula is satin creamy, like this shit feels nice. The shade is called X Supermodel. Do a little swatch in my hand. One swipe coverage. This will top off this look really nicely. It smells so good. It's like ice cream. This shade is called X Supermodel. These will be retailing for $19. I'm launching Wide shades and some of your favorite liquid lip shades may be in this formula as well. So get ready guys, I have a lot of exciting things coming up. The look is complete, but it is definitely not complete until we use our Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright, and we are done. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I brought some crazy glam, some glitter, some big lashes, and a new little sneak peek at a new product. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see as far as makeup products. Let's talk product, you guys. I want to know what you guys want to see next. Let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.